10 surprising car gadgets that you can buy right now. What if I told you your car could be smarter, cleaner, safer, and more entertaining, all without buying a brand new model? According to a recent market study, the global car accessory industry is projected to hit over $500 billion by 2028. And it's not because we're just buying fuzzy dice. From tech-savvy upgrades to practical tools you didn't know you needed, today's gadgets can seriously level up your driving experience. Whether you're a road trip junkie or just want your daily commute to feel less like a chore, these 10 surprisingly clever car gadgets might just blow your mind. Let's buckle up and check them out. Anker Power Drive 2 Elite Car Charger. Innovative fast-charging technology powers your devices quickly through dual USB ports, ideal for charging both a phone and tablet at once. Built with a sturdy aluminum alloy shell, this charger withstands heat far better than typical plastic ones and looks sleek in your lighter port. It delivers up to 30 lb of combined power without overheating thanks to Anker's proprietary power icon voltage boost. It fits snugly, so it will wiggle out on bumpy roads or stop charging when your ride gets rough. The small size means it stays unobtrusive and doubles as a travel-friendly charging station. Stanley FatMax Car Toolkit. Designed for roadside emergencies, this rugged 68-piece toolkit fits compactly in your trunk and includes wrenches, sockets, pliers, and a voltage tester. The durable case is built to handle drops, moisture, and rough use, perfect for weekend warriors or DIY drivers. Tools fit snugly in molded slots, making it easy to find what you need in a pinch. You'll be prepared for minor repairs like battery terminals or loose bolts, saving you from calling expensive roadside assistance. The kit won't weigh your car down and makes a great impulse grab for your repair shelf. A bonus for hobbyists learning basic auto care. Just remember to practice with tools safely before using them on a live issue. Flexion Magnetic Phone Mount. Strong magnets hold your phone firmly to the mount, even during sudden stops or turns, keeping it visible and secure. Install is easy. Stick the mount on your dash or vent and attach its metal plate to your phone or case. No clamps or brackets. The 360-degree swiveling head lets you switch between portrait and landscape for navigation or hands-free calls. It's ultra-compact and frees up dashboard space, avoiding bulky contraptions. Be sure to use the included metal plate and keep your phone angled away from wireless charging coils. This mount won't block /C outlets or obscure dashboard info, so you retain full control of climate and info displays. Ideal for tech-savvy commuters, forget fumbling with grips or trip holder arm hassle. Goodyear Air Compressor. This portable air pump plugs into your car's 12V outlet and inflates tires fast with its built-in digital gauge and automatic shutoff feature. It handles full-size car tires as well as bicycles or inflatables, making it versatile for road trips, bike rides, and beach days. No more guessing tire pressure. LED light helps at night or during emergencies. It fits snugly in your trunk, so it's always ready for quick top-ups or emergency patches. The unit can get loud, but that's a small trade-off for autonomy when pressure drops on silent highways. Keep it tucked near your spare and test it before winter or long trips. Be sure to secure the hose when storing to avoid cracking under heat. It's peace of mind inflation without visiting a gas station. Bosch Car Battery Charger. This compact Bosch charger works on 6V and 12V batteries used in cars, motorcycles, and boats, offering spark-proof cables and reverse polarity protection to prevent accidents. It's also a battery maintainer, ideal for vehicles stored seasonally or rarely used. Its smart charging profile adjusts current to ensure safe, optimized recharges. Built-in fault protection keeps temperature and current within safe ranges, extending battery life. Just set it, monitor indicator lights, and disconnect when fully charged. Its compact size fits neatly in vehicle toolkits or garage workbenches. Use it before winter storage or after long trips to avoid jump-start stress. Just don't leave it hooked up indefinitely. It's smart but not invincible. Scangrip Sunmatch Work Light. Crafted for durability, this compact rechargeable LED work light provides 1200+ lumens and offers up to 90 minutes of runtime at high output. Perfect for under-the-hood or roadside repairs. Its CRI 95+ rating means colors appear true and vivid, a big help when identifying leaking fluids or torn wires. It includes integrated magnets and a folding hook to attach to metal surfaces, keeping your hands free for tools. The water-resistant, drop-tested casing can handle grease, oil, and moderate impacts. USB-C recharge is fast, convenient, and avoids disposable batteries. It's also designed for winter use, with minimal flicker as temperatures drop. Pack extra charging cords if working remotely. Iottie Easy Flex 3 Air Vent Mount. This mount clips onto most car air vents, offering a clean dashboard view without suction cup residue or dashboard holes. The spring-loaded arms grip phones securely even over potholes. No bouncing or sliding around. You can rotate 360 degrees, perfect for switching between navigation maps and hands-free calls. No suction cups means no worrying about adhesive heat damage in summer. Compact build keeps visibility clear and won't block vital dashboard controls. A soft silicone cushion keeps your phone safe from scratches, while quick release buttons make phone handling fast and safe. Goodyear Mini Car Vacuum. Small but mighty, this 12V powered vacuum easily plugs into your car's outlet, perfect for crumbs, pet hair, and small debris in tight spaces. It comes with multiple nozzle attachments to reach between seats and or pedals without disassembly. Despite its compact size, it offers strong suction and includes a HEPA filter, great for keeping your car's air clean. It's quieter than bulky shop vacs, so you can clean without ear-splitting noise, especially helpful in shared garages. The power cable comfortably extends to the back seat, letting you clean deeply in one go. Store it within reach for impromptu spill cleanups or pet hair emergencies. Casking Car Seat Organizer. Organize your cabin chaos with this sleek, water-resistant seat organizer featuring multiple pockets for tablets, water bottles, chargers, tissues, and snacks. It straps securely to any seat, preventing items from tumbling during sharp turns or shortcuts. Long zip compartments and Velcro slots keep electronics accessible yet safe from spills or dirt. Heavy-duty fabric resists baby juice or pen leaks and wipes clean easily. Great for road trips or ride-sharing, it keeps essentials reached fast while protecting upholstery. Bonus features include a tablet holder for backseat entertainment and adjustable straps for snug fit. Remember to clean it out occasionally. Old snacks lose freshness but not the crumbs. Dual pack Pedal Car Rack. This lightweight modular rack attaches securely to nearly any car's rear, enabling bike transport, pannier storage, or general cargo. Ideal for adventurers on the move. Strong straps ensure a stable setup even on winding roads or rough terrain. The clever design allows easy cargo access without removing everything, a rare convenience in gear racks. Aluminum construction keeps it light yet strong, and rubber feet protect paint and steel frames. Installation doesn't need permanent fixtures, and it folds compactly for trunk storage. It's not a full trailer, but is perfect for weekend riders or campers needing extra capacity. These gadgets might be small, but they can completely change how you experience your car. From safety, organization, to entertainment and emergency preparedness. Whether you're hitting the road for a weekend trip or just making your morning commute more tolerable, a smarter car starts with smart gear. If you found something useful on this list, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe for more cleverly curated content, and let us know in the comments. Which of these gadgets are you adding to your ride first? Safe travels, and see you in the next one.